In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung air conditioner C4 error code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, let's get started. So what it means, C4 indoor heat exchange sensor fault. So the sensor may be disconnected, short circuit or out of range. Could be a faulty sensor or a problem with the main indoor PCB. Alright, so how to troubleshoot this problem. So step 1, restart the unit. So turn off the AC and disconnect it from the power supply. Wait 3 to 5 minutes, restore power and check if the error code reappears. Step 2, inspect the sensor wiring. So remove the indoor unit's front panel. Then locate the heat exchanger temperature sensor, usually clipped onto the coil. Check, is the sensor securely connected to the PCB? Are the wires damaged, loose or corroded? Step 3, test the sensor, and you can do this using a multimeter if you got one. Disconnect the sensor from the PCB, measure its resistance at 25 degrees or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. It should read around 10. If the reading is 0 or infinite, open circuit, the sensor is faulty. Step 4, replace the sensor. So if the sensor is faulty, replace it with the exact model or compatible one specified for your Samsung unit. Clip it back onto the coil and reconnect it to the PCB. Step 5, check the indoors PCB. So if the sensor tests fine, but the error persists, the PCB may not be reading the signal correctly. So look for damaged components or burnt areas on the board. Replacing the PCB may be needed, best done by a technician though. And now these are some of the tools you need if you're going to go ahead and try it yourself. So a screwdriver, a multimeter to test resistance, and a replacement sensor. You can get these online or from a Samsung service center.